Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve the Xbox error code 0x80242020 that something unexpected happened. Reporting this problem will help us understand it better. You can wait a bit and try again or restart your device. That may help. And then again, that error code 0x80242020. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and type in settings. Best result should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the right panel, you want to go down to storage and select that. And now you want to scroll down underneath advanced storage settings and go ahead and expand that. And then select where it says where new content is saved. Click inside of there. So now if you have a different drive letter, you want to perhaps save it to a completely different area on your computer or external hard drive. Perhaps you don't have that much space left on your computer, or you might be saving it in the wrong hard drive perhaps. So you may also want to consider running disk cleanup. So we can go ahead and do that. I'm just going to minimize settings for right now. I'm just going to search for disk cleanup. Go ahead and open that up. I'm going to select cleanup system files. And then I'm going to proceed to select OK to delete said files. And now come back into settings here. And where it says find a setting, go ahead and just search for troubleshoot. Go ahead and select troubleshoot settings. And then underneath options, select other troubleshooters. And then underneath the other section, scroll down and select Windows Store Apps and then the Run button. And I'd recommend following along with any recommendations it makes here to hopefully help resolve the problem. And again, hopefully that should have resolved the problem. You can go underneath apps on the left side too, and then on the right side, select apps and features. In the apps list field, go ahead and search for store. Best match, come back on Microsoft Store, select the three-dotted icon next to it, and then select advanced options. Scroll down, and underneath reset, if this app isn't working right, we can try to repair it. The app's data won't be affected. Select repair. And if you're still having a problem, you can try to reset the store. You can try and reset the Microsoft Store. So if the app still isn't working right, reset it. The app's data will be deleted. Select reset. This will permanently delete the app's data on this device, including your preferences and sign-in details. Go ahead and select reset. And then once that's done, I'd recommend closing out of everything and then restart your computer. So hopefully I was able to help resolve the problem as well. We can also try to reset the Xbox application as well in a similar fashion that we reset the store. So just open up the search menu. Into the start menu search, type in apps and features. Best result should come back with apps and features. Go ahead and open that up. And in the apps list field, go ahead and search for Xbox. Go ahead and select the Xbox application, the three little dots next to it, and select advanced options. And then scroll down underneath reset. If this app isn't working right, we can try to repair it. The app's data won't be affected. Select repair. And then if the app still isn't working right, reset it. The app's data will be deleted. Select reset. So this will permanently delete the app's data on this device, including your preferences and sign-in details. Select reset. And then once again, I would suggest closing out of here and then restarting your computer once more. And now if you attempt to launch the store or the Xbox application, hopefully that error message has been resolved. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.